So guys, for the first method, you're going to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to find backward intelligent transfer service. Double click on it. Make sure that you have the startup type on automatic and then click on start, which will now make the service status running. So make sure that you have this on startup type automatic service status running and then click on OK. And now you're going to click on W on your keyboard, which is now going to bring us down. We're now going to scroll down till we find Windows Update. Here it is. Double click on it. And then do the same thing, startup type, automatic, and then click on start, which will now make the service status running, and then click on OK. And now you're going to click on restart. It's now going to restart the Windows Update service. See if this now fixes your problem. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Now you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in sfc /scan now, and then click on enter. Then you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And then once that's been done, we're now going to type in DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Click on enter again. You now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, you just want to restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.